So you're wondering how to turn $1,000 into $10,000 and need some inspiration to get started. The great news is that there are so many different ways to flip money so that it generates additional income. Many of these ideas are also passive, so you can make your money work for you in the background while you go about your daily life. In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn $1,000 into $10,000. Without further ado, let's begin. Retail arbitrage. Have you ever bought something and then resold it for a profit? If so, you've done what is called retail arbitrage. This process of buying something at a low cost and then reselling at a profit has helped many earn thousands or even millions of dollars. Retail arbitrage is also a great way to turn $1,000 into $10,000 since this starting amount of cash lets you buy enough inventory to test several products. As for where you sell stuff, people often sell through channels like the Facebook Marketplace, Amazon FBA, or various selling apps like eBay or Mercari. And you can make serious money with retail arbitrage. Invest in real estate. Another strategy to turn $1,000 into $10,000 is to invest that money into income-generating real estate. Of course, $1,000 isn't enough for you to buy a rental unit or land, but you can use real estate crowdfunding companies to invest in commercial and residential real estate with other investors. For example, crowdfunding platforms like Arbitrage let you purchase shares of income-generating properties. And the best part is that you can get started with as little as $10. Invest with Arbitrage. This platform pools the money from investors to purchase commercial and residential properties that generate rental income. Investors have historically earned around 8% annually, and you pay 1% in annual management fees. Granted, turning 1 to 10 with this method is going to take years, but it's completely passive, and Arbitrage pays quarterly dividends that you can reinvest to acquire more shares. Invest in stocks and ETFs. Like real estate investing, one straightforward way to turn $1,000 into $10,000 is to invest in a variety of stocks and ETFs. These days, most online banks let you open a commission-free brokerage account where you can begin trading. From there, you can buy growth stocks, dividend stocks, or various ETFs and mutual funds if you want more diversification. The beauty of investing is that you have the power of time and compound interest on your side. For example, if you just invest $1,000 and then contribute $25 per week to your portfolio, you have over $22,000 after 10 years if we assume a 7% annual rate of return. $1,000 compound interest. And again, this is just starting with $1,000 and making small contributions. You can earn even more with diligent investing. Really, figuring out what to invest in is the challenging part. You can also try using robo-advisors like Betterment that build portfolios for you to match your goals and risk tolerance. There's a $0 requirement to get started, and Betterment only charges 0.25%, which is only $2.50 for a $1,000 portfolio per year. Alternatively, stock-picking services like The Motley Fool can help you find various companies to invest in if you're more interested in stocks. Finally, investing in other non-traditional investments can also be a profitable way to invest as well. Whether you start with cryptocurrencies or purchase NFTs, these alternative investments are often providing big returns even with a small additional investment. Just make sure you speak to a financial advisor or do your own research and due diligence. Start a side hustle. While this isn't an obvious way to flip $1,000, you can always invest this starting amount of cash into equipment that lets you start a new side hustle. Side hustles are the new part-time job these days, and millions are finding success with a variety of gig opportunities to earn money. A simple example would be to buy a bike with your $1,000 and to begin delivering food for DoorDash or Uber Eats. Tom's friend worked for both companies after graduating college, and he could make $15 to $20 plus per hour by delivering food as a bike courier in downtown Toronto. This is just one example. You could also experiment with buying things to rent out for cash, like a camera or some sort of tool. People do this all the time on rental marketplaces like Fat Llama, so there's plenty of opportunity to start a side hustle with a bit of money. Start an online business. If you've ever wanted to create your own business, the good news is that it is easier than ever. People are earning money online with all sorts of methods these days, and many online business ideas take way less than $1,000 to start but have incredibly high income potential. Blogging is the perfect example. Tom started this online world in college with a cheap hosting plan, a domain name, and a $45 blogging theme. Almost 5 years later, this online world makes $500 a day or more thanks to MediaVine ads and affiliate marketing. MediaVine income per day. This is a way better return than turning $1,000 into $10,000. And again, the income potential is pretty much endless. And blogging is just one example of a business idea you can start out. Other online business ideas you can try include selling products on a Shopify store, launching an Etsy print-on-demand business, selling memes or other merchandise on sites like Redbubble, and making money with a YouTube channel. Invest in small businesses. If starting your own business isn't your thing, did you know you can invest in other businesses and generate passive income at the same time? Companies like Mainvest let you invest in small U.S. businesses starting at just $100. From there, you get regular loan repayments from business owners until you're repaid, and then some. Mainvest targets 10% to 25% returns for investors, and $1,000 could be the start of a new investment portfolio for you that also supports business owners. Learn a new skill. Want to learn a new skill? Even if it requires some equipment or classes for education, this investment can pay off down the road. About 12 years ago, when blogs and social media were becoming a thing, I started experimenting with different platforms to learn more about them. Today, the skills I've learned have led to a full-time career that I can do from home while spending time with my family. And these days, you can learn anything on the internet for free or without paying too much money. For example, websites like Udemy have a wealth of courses on subjects like coding, data analysis, graphic design, freelance writing, marketing, and web design. With $1,000, you can definitely find a few courses that can help you beef up your resume with new skills. And if you land a high-paying job as a result, this is one of the best investments you can make. Try peer-to-peer lending. If you're still wondering how to turn $1,000 into $10,000, you could always consider experimenting with peer-to-peer lending. The idea here is to essentially act like a bank and lend people money. They agree to pay you back your money by a set time and at an agreed-upon interest rate. People make money with Reddit by doing this on Reddit, borrow all the time. This idea is extremely risky, and it's not for everyone. There's a chance the person you lend $1,000 to just disappears or can't pay you back in time. So guys, let me know your thoughts down in the comments section below. Give this video a thumbs up for more interesting content. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.